And the last topic is the sludge volume index, which is also called as the SVI. It is defined in ml per gram. Okay, MLS concentration in the aeration tank is controlled by the rate of return sludge and the sludge settleability, that is depend upon the SVI. Now these are the reason why we are calculating the SVI. What are the reason? To calculate the rate of return sludge, that is nothing but the QR, and to see its sludge settleability, that is nothing but the XU. Okay, SVI represents the concentration of sludge, that is the XU, which is also called as the XR, that controls the rate of return sludge in order to maintain the desired MLSS in the aeration tank. So we required the concentration of MLSS in the aeration tank to be desired. Why? To get the maximum efficiency corresponding to the particular F/M ratio to achieve the required degree of treatment. To give the exact degree of treatment, we required the concentration of return sludge in the aeration tank to be maintained. Okay, that's why we are calculating this SVI view. SVI, it is defined as the volume occupied in ml by 1 gram of solid in mixed liquid that allowed to stand for 30 minutes. So how to calculate this? These are nothing but the volume occupied in ml, that is the volume occupied in ml by 1 gram of solid, that is nothing but the 1 volume in ml divided by 1 gram of MLSS. This is how it is defined, to allow to stand for 30 minutes. Now let's see how to calculate this SVI. Determination of SVI involved the collection of 1 liter of mixed liquid from the aeration tank, the discharge end of the calibrated cylinder, which is allowed to settle for 30 minutes. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to take one calibrated calibrated cylinder, in which we are going to take the 1 liter of MLSS concentration. From where? From the discharged end of the tank. Okay, we are not going to take the sewage sample, we are going to take the sample which is getting out of this aeration tank. Okay, how much? In 1 liter. After that, we are going to wait for 30 minutes to settle down all the MLSS solid, to settle it down. Okay, then after 30 minutes, what we are going to do, we are going to observe the volume, how much volume this solid going to occupy. Say for example, if it is going to occupy 200 ml, say for example this one is 200 ml, so what will be the unit? Volume observed will be 200 ml per liter. So it is we are considering the 1 liter, that's why volume observed comes out to be the 200 ml per liter. So this is the value of VOB. Okay, after that, what we are going to do, we are going to take the sample and put it in the oven for 104 degrees Celsius. Whatever the volume whatever the suspended solid we get, it is nothing but the mixed liquid suspended solid, which is nothing but a MLSS. The procedure is same as that of the calculating the suspended solids of the sewage sample. So this volume comes out to the VOB. Okay, the settled sample after remaining is further tested for the presence of suspended solid present in it using the standard test involved in the computation of the suspended solid. This is the same way we have to calculate the XOB. So SVI is nothing but a VOB divided by XOB. So ml per liter, VOB we have calculated in ml per liter, and XOB we have calculated in mg per liter. So liter get cancelled, so it comes out to be ml per mg. But this value comes out to be so small, that's why we have to multiply. We have to convert this mg into gram. So how to convert this mg into gram? By multiplying 10 raised to power minus 3. When it goes to in the numerator, it become 10 raised to power plus 3. So SVI is nothing but a VOB upon XOB into 10 raised to power 3 in ml per gram. Okay, so this is how we have to calculate the SVI. There is another formula for calculating the SVI. Just remember this XU, which is we also call as to be the XR, is equal to the 10 raised to power 6 divided by SVI in liter per mg. Okay, and we have already seen this return sludge. QR divided by Q0 is nothing but a X divided by XU minus X. Okay, let's see what will be its value comes out. SVI generally varies between 50 to 150 ml per gram for the municipal sewage. This value shows the good settling sludge. Okay. So this is all about this SVI.